Webster is a leading bank with over $80 billion in assets, providing digital and personal financial solutions through commercial banking, consumer banking, and HSA Bank, serving businesses, individuals, and families nationwide.
I'm focused on maintaining the security posture and profile of the bank. We're a highly regulated environment. I'm at the same time looking at focusing on growing the business. So using a technology and security as a way of enabling our business growth. We see a wide range of threats across the financial services institutions. We see all different types of threats and activities on the perimeter outside of our organization. And then we keep in monitoring from an insider perspective what is happening within our environment as well. Human-centric security is important because everybody has a different role, different activities that they're doing in their particular role as they're going through their day-to-day operational activities. Especially from when you think about kind of customer type of data, it's important from a privacy perspective to also understand that it's limited down to only what you need to do your job on a daily basis. We do have a formal insider threat program. So within that, it is just monitoring the activities that are happening to reduce down the capability for people to have access to things they may not need to have access to, but also to enable them to have access to the things they do. We don't want you to feel like security is this kind of negative thing that's in your environment that you have to tolerate within, but that it's something that enables you to do the activities that you have and also give you confidence that you have the right protections in place to not only protect you as an individual, but that protect the organization. We use the whole suite of Proofpoint products in our environment. Proofpoint also integrates with a lot of partners that we also are working with in our environment from a security posture perspective. So that helps us as an organization to be really maximize the value out of Proofpoint. It's this best of breed solution in our environment, something that is trusted for us to use, something where we can see the results that are coming back from it, where I can see how it's actually being used to prevent security scenarios that we don't want to see happen from a threat perspective, especially around when I'm looking at also on those very important people, VIPs in our environment, looking at our executives who are more prominent out there in the industry and what they're doing, potentially drawing more attention to themselves. Proofpoint is the solution that we use to be that platform around securing this human-centric kind of protection for them and others across our organization. AI is clearly something that we're using, but taking baby steps in that direction. So not moving too quickly, but also looking at it from a security perspective and maintaining the right risk-based approach as we continue to grow and expand. We've had a long-term partnership and relationship that we rely upon. We can clearly see the results that come back from having Proofpoint in place, what it's doing for us, the metrics and reporting that come out already in the dashboarding within the tools that we're using, but also being able to use that to present across the organization, whether it's at the technical level across the various teams that we have, or whether that's even rolling up to any of the risk-based committees that we have, or all the way up to our board from a leadership perspective and oversight. So I can clearly see the value that it's bringing on a day-to-day basis. Leveraging Proofpoint is really this foundational element in the relationship that we had. Those types of partnerships and relationships mean a lot to us as an organization. And I think Proofpoint's one of those vendors that when you're partnering with them, they're on this journey that you're headed on in the right direction.